Preparation of alkene from vicinal dihalide, right student? So we are going to prepare the alkenes from the vicinal dihalide. First of all, let us try to understand what is vicinal dihalide. Suppose two halogen atoms are there with the consecutive carbon atom, so that is what is known as, student, this is the vicinal dihalide. This is what vicinal dihalides, that you have to keep in mind. If halogen atom is on the consecutive atom, students, two continuous atom, that is what is known as vicinal dihalide. Now let's have a look over the point. They are saying dihalides in which two halogen atoms are attached to two adjacent carbon atoms are known as vicinal dihalide. So they are the adjacent carbon atom, student, and two halogen atoms are attached, so vicinal dihalide. Now vicinal dihalide on treatment with zinc metal. Vicinal dihalide on treatment with zinc metal, you are treating with the zinc metal, okay. Zinc metal loss a molecule of ZnX2. So this zinc metal is what it is going to do, student, this is going to lose, it is the ZnX2 is going to form, and what is it is the C double bond C alkene is formed, okay. To form the alkene, this reaction is known as dehalogenation reaction. Dehalogenation means only halogen is getting removed, okay. So dehalogenation, so that is what is here is, student, CH2, CH2, this is what is there, student, that is what it will going, that is CH2 ZnBr2. Next one CH3CHBr, okay, and here is CH2Br. So this is Zn is also, so ZnBr2 is going out, CH3CH double bond CH2. So this is the point which we have to understand, students. So what the point is, students, if you are having the compound of the vicinal dihalide, dear students, okay, let's have a look over the vicinal dihalide. How can you be able to make the vicinal dihalide? This is the C, this is C, here is Cl, this is Cl, okay, hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is the zinc is there, students. So what the zinc metal will do, student, it will take the halogen, so it will form, that is ZnCl2, dear student, and here is C, here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen, here is single bond, here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen. So carbon valency is 4, so 1 2 3, so here you put simply the double bond. So this is what the alkene is, student. So that is the, we can prepare the alkene by the dehalogenation, student, by the reaction with the zinc metal. So thank you so much for watching, friend.